They say being a student means being broke. But that's not true anymore. Because today, your phone and Wi-Fi can earn you more than any part-time job ever could. This is the era of smart work, not just hard work. And in this video, I'll show you how to turn your free time into real money, with side hustles that actually work for students. You see, most students waste hours scrolling, but a few, the ones who win, spend those same hours creating, learning, and building. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You just need discipline, consistency, and the right idea. Let's start with the first one. Freelancing. If you can write, design, edit videos, or manage social media, you can start today. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you sell your skills to global clients. At first, you might earn small, but soon, that small project becomes a steady stream of income. And guess what? You'll be learning professional skills before you even graduate. Next, content creation. No, you don't need fancy equipment. All you need is a phone, an idea, and your story. Start a YouTube channel, post on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Share what you know. Study, lifestyle, motivation, fitness, whatever you love. Because today, attention is currency. And if you can grab attention, you can turn it into income through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Third, tutoring online. If you're good at math, English, or any subject, teach it. Platforms like Preply, Tutor, Com, and even Zoom let you teach students worldwide. You don't just make money. You improve your communication, confidence, and teaching skills. Skills that will make you unstoppable later. Another powerful one. Print on demand and digital products. Create designs or study guides once, and sell them forever. Use platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad. Sell notebooks, templates, resumes, or digital planners. It's one of the easiest ways to earn passive income while you focus on your studies. And finally, social media management. Small businesses are desperate for help with their online presence. If you know how to post, engage, and use hashtags, that's a business skill. Start managing one local brand's Instagram page, and within months, you'll be managing 3. So remember, it's not about having time, it's about making time. Your student years are your testing ground. The habits you build now will shape your entire future. You can either scroll through life, or you can build your freedom one hustle at a time. Because opportunity isn't waiting. It's already here, and it's in your hands. Start today. Learn, earn, grow, and let your side hustle become your main success story.